Hello and welcome. I'm Chai Hofelenia, and this is your Noontime Wrap. Vice President Jejomar Binay says he will split the Transportation Department if he becomes president. Binay says the department has too many agencies attached to it, adding the split branches will focus on transportation and on communications and technology. 16 agencies are currently attached to the Transportation Department, including agencies in civil aviation, sea transport and maritime infrastructure, land transportation, railway system, and infrastructure. Binay leads presidential polls despite corruption charges against him. The Senate probe on his allegedly anomalous deals resumes Tuesday, January 26. Philippine President Benigno Aquino appoints 6 new justices to the anti-graft court Sandiganbayan. On the list of new justices are Associate Justices Michael Musni, Reynaldo Cruz, Maria Teresa Mendoza-Arcega, Carl Miranda, Zaldi Trespeses, and Geraldine Econg. Aquino signed Republic Act 10660 into law in 2015, adding 2 divisions to the anti-graft court. The 2 new divisions aim to speed up the hearings of cases. United States capital Washington, D.C. struggles to plow back to life after the colossal snowstorm that hit during the weekend. At least 33 are dead from the blizzard that slammed a dozen states. Washington's subway and bus network resumed operations, but with a limited number of trains running for free. More than 22 inches of snow paralyzed Washington, while 26.8 inches fell on New York's Central Park, the second highest on record since 1869. Other worst-hit areas include New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Virginia. Follow Rappler.com for continuing updates. And that's the Noontime Wrap. I'm Chai Hofelenia. Join us again at 6 p.m. for today's top news.